In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mind maps in Notion. Start by opening Notion. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you're in, you should be looking at your main dashboard. From there, open the page where you eventually want your mind map to appear, or just keep Notion ready in one tab for a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and go to a dedicated mind mapping tool such as Whimsical, Miro, or Lucidchart. Notion doesn't have a built-in mind map feature in the traditional sense, so this method works by creating the map in a specialized tool first, then embedding it inside your Notion page. It's a simple workaround and it gives you a much better mind mapping experience. Once you're inside your chosen tool, create your mind map there. You may see options like spaces, descriptions, access settings, or members depending on the platform. But for this demo, the main goal is just to make a sample mind map. Add a central topic, create a few branches, and build out a quick structure so you have something ready to embed. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second. After your mind map is ready, look for the Share or Export option. Click that, then choose the Embed option if it's available. The tool should provide either a public link or an embed link. Copy that link, and if you also see an option that says something like Copy Code, select that if needed by the platform. The important part here is that you end up with the shareable embed link for the map. Now go back to your Notion page. On an empty line, type /embed and press enter. Notion will open an embed block. Paste your copied link into the embed link field, then click the blue embed link button. After a moment, your mind map should appear right inside the page. If you need more room, hover over the embedded mind map block and drag the bottom handle downward to increase the viewing area. You can also click and drag the side handles to make it wider so it fits your page layout better. This is especially useful for larger maps with lots of branches, because giving it more space makes it easier to read and navigate. Once that's done, the mind map will be visible in your current Notion workspace. And that's basically it. You've successfully created a mind map in Notion using an integration and embed workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: if the embed doesn't display properly, double-check that the link you copied is a public or share-enabled link from the mind mapping tool. Some platforms won't show the content inside Notion unless sharing permissions are turned on correctly. With that set up, you're good to go, and your mind map should stay accessible right from your Notion page.